Hey, Dan here, and welcome to Right to Bear Arms. And you're seeing me inside my demonstration site. What we're going to do today is I purchased a light laser combination, and we're going to see if it's going to fit on the CL. And I'll leave a link in the description where you can find it. I think I paid $40 I think for it. I'll try and find something. We'll go on the CL. And of course it's made in China. I don't know the name of the brand, but we are. See if it's going to fit on here. If it doesn't, well, we're going to be using it on the something else. In fact, I think what I'll do is I'll take this and put it on the Mission 4. I'll put this one on here. Let's see. It is called the Tactical Flashlight Laser Combo GL70 series. And here's what it looks like. It's got four sets of buttons on it, instead of two like that one. And then this one's got selector on it, whether you want a laser light or laser light combination. This one's got light, bright on both sides. Okay, they're identical. They're identical buttons on both sides. And the thing that I like about this one here is the charger is your typical Android. Well, now it's now Android and just about any other phone. Where unfortunately this one here has a special magnet charger, and you're going to have that charger with you at all times if you plan to charge it. This one here and the other one that's on my wife's SD also uses the universal, I call it the Android plug because it already had one. Apple has now converted to that. Alright, so let's see. This has got a screw set up. They give you another screw, and it's got a spring. I don't know if that's an extra. They give you two Allens, and again they give you a spring. This one here, you've just got a quick disconnect, pop, and then put it on any other gun that you have. Let's see if this is going to fit. Yes, it will. Wow. You got lucky, huh? Take this one out. Oh. Okay, it's got a little, this is spring loaded. Okay. There must be an extra, they give an extra screw and an extra spring. Alright, so that said, slides all the way back. There is a hole for that. All right. so you can see. Do your close-up. All right, you got your 3 holes, and then you got your screw that goes through. So as we can see, this spring's wider. Yeah, that spring's wider than it's springed. Okay. So that's now on there. And now I'm just going to take that, move this screw back one, because you want it to go through this slot. Yeah, I'll give you a screwdriver, but it's supposed to be finger spring. Okay, so that will come off. Okay, so move it to the actual middle screw, the middle hole. Right. Spring loaded. All right. It's all the way back. It still sticks out just a little bit. Now you can finger tighten it down. All right. So they give you an extra screw and spring with this. They're giving you 2 Allen wrenches to do your alignment. Okay. Your laser alignment. Before you fire it up, it's really a good idea to charge it. But that answers that question. Now you really, if you're going to carry a gun, you might as well have a laser and a light on it, because it winds up being practical. You can use the light anywhere. Okay, on a live gun, that's kind of up to you. You're walking around with a live fire, okay? Where with the burner, you don't have to worry about killing somebody, and it'll probably go out, I don't know, you've got a 60-foot, I don't know, one of these days I'll have to fire it and see how far it actually goes. That somebody's actually in danger. Alright, so your specs are gonna be, you stay, yep, that's, alright, I'm back. I need to get my glasses. Just some quick things I went over. It does come with a backup screw. You've got multi slots on your rail, but this doesn't, so that works perfect for that. You've got your Allens. I'm going to get to that to adjust your windage and all that stuff, if you want to call it that. We do have get a cable. It's got the universal plug, like I said. It says that on the bottom of it here, there's technically a light. It's going to let you know what it's doing when it's charging or and when it's complete, but I don't see a light there. And I went to plug it in and I don't get a light. I don't get anything saying that it's charging. Red light says low power and charging. Units on the side. It's showing on the side of it. I might have a light on the side of it and I'm not seeing it when I was charging it. Trying to charge it. But it does say, please use the included cable and plug into a 5-volt power source, such as a small Apple charger or a computer USB port. does not support 5 charge. So take out the charging cable, connect the USB and external port to the computer and charge it. Charge time is about 2 hours. The indicator light will turn green before we charge. Note, because some power banks are equipped with overcharge protection, it's normal that the charging indicator turns off instead of green when it is fully charged by some power banks. So, I don't know. It says, indicator light will turn green when fully charged. Note, because some power banks are equipped with overcharge protection, it's normal that the charging indicator turns off instead of green when fully charged by some power banks. So it may be fully charged right now, and that's why it wasn't showing what it was doing. Other than that, this item can be returned to original condition for a full refund or replaced within 30 days of receipt unconditionally. This warranty does not cover normal wear and tear. All right. Now, this one here's got a full 1-year warranty on it. Use time, like flashlight brightness, laser only. You got a red, you got a green, blue, purple laser. Good for 2 hours. Flashlight only, 60 minutes. We'll see about that. Flashlight laser combination, 45 minutes. And we're talking laser beam is 200 feet or 2,000 meters. Let's see, light. I think we said the light. Flashlight is 600 lumens. This one here is 6. This one here is 1,500 and then it drops. Okay? My wife's is 800 lumens. So I'll put the links in from Amazon in my description so you can purchase those if you like. All right, so I don't know. I guess it's fully charged at this point. Let's look down. Let's look down towards the target and see what we got. I'm doing laser first. No, that's full light. If you hit it, hold it. Now you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it to strobe. Off. And hold it, and then it'll go off. And now off. Let's try the laser. Green laser. I guess you picked the colors you wanted. Okay, that's on. Now you go with the light with laser. And then you can bring it on, hold your light button 2 more seconds, now you got strobe. And 1 more off. Back, it'll stay in strobe. Once it's strobe, you can hold the button again, and then it'll go out. And that's the bottom button is your light. Your top button is your strobe or laser. All right, I like it. And it's small enough that I can put my small hands on the buttons. My hand's not strong enough right now. My left one is though. Top one's laser, bottom is light. You can push them both same. I thought I just pushed 2 at the same time. But. All right, so there we are. That is the tactical flashlight by XYHL. If you can make it out. XYHL, look like LaserWin. And that will fit the Burner CL. Will fit anything bigger than that as well. So, unfortunately, my V-Life will not fit that. Okay, just a follow-up on that laser light. That's how you know it's going to be green. And I use the charger inside the vehicle. Alright, so thanks for watching. Like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Right to Bear Arms. And this was the installation of the XYHL LaserWin.